Hi, so I want to show how to find the zero of a quadratic function here in the standard form. So I have a standard form here. If I want to find the zero, you can either use an equation or you can solve for the x, right? So if you use the equation, in my notes, in my class notes, basically the equation is x equals to h plus or minus square root of minus k over a. Then what is h, k, and a in this case? H is basically 4, k is 8, and then a is minus 2. All right, so if I plug this in, so what do I get? I get actually two answers, right? Because I have a plus or minus. H is 4 plus or minus square root of minus 8 over minus 2. This is going to be 4 plus or minus square root of 4, which is 2. So this is going to be 4 plus or minus 2. And then with this, I have two answers. x1 is equals to 6. x2 is equals to 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So these are my two zeros. Okay, so this is how I get the zero of the quadratic function in the standard form. Now, I can also solve for this equation. So if I solve for this equation, so I have, because finding zero is basically y equals to 0 and what is the value of x. So this is basically the whole point of finding zero is the x-intercept, right? So if I look at this, I want to find out 0 equals to minus 2 x minus 4. So this is actually a second method on solving the zero. So on this, you isolate your x. So 0 equals to this plus 8. Then you move the 8 on the other side. You get minus 8 equals to minus 2 x minus 4 square. And then you divide it by minus 2 on both sides. This is going to give you minus 8 over minus 2 x minus 4 squared. The minus 8 over minus 2 is basically 4 equals to x minus 4 squared. Okay. In fact, the equation is derived from isolating my x. So now at this point, I need to put my square root on both sides. When I put the square root on both sides, the one that has the square, it will cancel out. The one that doesn't have the square, I will have to put plus or minus. Always, when you put a square root by yourself, not from the question, then you always have to put plus or minus in front of it. With that, I will have plus or minus 2 equals to x minus 4. And then I'll have two answers, right? Again, if I have plus 2 equals to x minus 4, the other one will be minus 2 equals to x minus 4. So the one from the left, I will have 2 plus 4, which is 6 equals to my x. The other one, I will have minus 2 plus 4, which is 2 equals to my x. So both of them arrive to the same answer. Okay. So this is x1 and this is x2. So this is how I solve for the zero of a quadratic function in the standard form.